Is he dead? Do you think he's dead?
Is that time of year again when His Majesty takes all of my money just to drive my car. And because it's one of those things you have to do, you have no choice. You have to pay it. I mean, you don't. You could risk not paying it and get caught. But let's just assume you're a good person. This year, it's 265. So once again, I'm at the page where I get to give feedback about my taxing experience. Overall, how did you feel about the service you received today? I am very dissatisfied. Last year, you charged me £250 for the privilege, of driving on the UK's poorly maintained roads. This year, it has once again increased to an ungodly amount, of 265. I think this is an absolute disgrace. Not only do I feel like I have been robbed. Not only do I feel like I have been robbed, but this month my children are going to have to remain hungry as I cannot afford to run a car and pay for food! Exclamation mark. If a god did exist, corrupt thieves like the DVLA would not exist. Let me just bigmify that quickly. Much love, dcb-benji, disgruntled road user. Dickheads.
She presses a button, and I thought, oh no, I'm just gonna go for it.
Yep.
You are a retard.
Yes.
You know what I mean? That was close. I'm not sure exactly.
Hey!
What do you reckon happened there then?
She can't drive. Wheelie! Yay! Go on, stop right at the most awkward part of the road, you absolute spanner. No, you're not, you change your mind. There we go, we got some intelligent, no that's not intelligent, is it? That's just fucking backwards, man. What a knobhead. It makes you think, how do people even fucking remember to get out of bed in the morning, doesn't it? Oh, hang on, look, there's a car on the opposite side of the road. Let's park opposite that car. People are backwards, aren't they? Am I in a nice mood today? I'm in a nice mood, I'm in a good mood. I'm gonna fix that. Prick. Dickhead.